Hello everyone, I'm Apple. Today our group is going to talk about the topic of shock remote work can improve job performance. Our group is working on Amazon and the company wants to know the biggest factors that affect employee performance. Amazon, the largest online e-commerce company in the United States, is located in Seattle, Washington. It is one of the first companies to start e-commerce on the internet. At present, it has become one of the most online retailers in the world. At the same time, it is also one of the largest internet in the world. Our survey respondents were 50% male and 50% female. About half of the respondents had a low salary, 9% had a high salary, and the rest had a modest salary. Nearly half of the respondents were from sales, IT, and operations departments, and the other half were from other departments. Nearly 67% of the respondents were low-level employees. Among the respondents, 6% were responsible for marketing, 26% for sales, 3% for management, and 19% for technology.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mahi, and I'm here to speak on the important factors of job performance. Since all we know that employee performance is crucial to the overall success of the company, it is important to foster a positive and energetic work environment. So there are a lot of parameters on which the employee's performance depends, but we are going to analyze mainly three different parameters to determine the job performance of an employee in the company. Those are percent remote. This parameter represents the percentage of an employee's work that is being carried out away from the company's physical work location, that is remote location. The next parameter is employee satisfaction remote. Of all those employees working remotely, how many of them are satisfied with their work is given by this parameter. And third and final parameter is employee engagement. Employee engagement is the extent to which employees feel passionate about their jobs and are committed to the company and can put maximum efforts into their work. A survey conducted on different factors on which employee performance depends. The data obtained based on our company survey is used to calculate the means of this parameter through descriptive statistics. Here we are going to relate the means with their minimum and maximum values. Let us consider percent remote. Its mean is 0.632 when we compare it with its minimum and maximum value, that is 0.4 and 0.8 respectively. We can say that around 58% of the employees' work is carried out remotely, that is away from the company's physical work location. Now next parameter is employee satisfaction remote. Its mean is 3.709 with minimum value 2.4 and maximum value 4.6. So here around 60% of employees are satisfied with their work. The mean the mean of employee engagement is 3.012. Its minimum and maximum value are 1.6 and 4.6 respectively. Around 47% of employees feel passionate about their job and are actually committed to their company. Ultimately, good employees are productive, which create great working environments and increase overall productivity.
Hello, Emily. In order to improve job performance, we need to know what drives job performance. Now imagine we were in a car race and we needed to bid on the top three cars. In this case, the top three cars are the best in predicting job performance. We use those scores in the last employer evaluation as an indicator to measure job performance. We found that our three predictors were highly positive relationship with job performance. Compilation those relationships we built a model to predict job performance. We have found our last model is very powerful as 95% of job performance in our sample is explained by this model. Now let's start our car race. As we just mentioned, the three cars represent employer satisfaction remote, percentage of work done remotely, and employer engagement, respectively. The destination is job performance. Now let's see which cars will reach the finish line faster. The winner in predicting job performance in our model in car number 2, which is remote work, closely followed by car number 3, employer engagement. We identified the most influential predictors in the car race are engagement and remote work. As the model also tells us an equation to predict job performance. So what does this equation mean? For example, our current average job performance score is 0.73. If we increase the average percentage of work done remotely from 63% to 93% and remain the other conditions unchanged, it is predicted that we will have a higher job performance average score of 0.81. If we increase engagement mean score from by 0.5, it is predicted that we will have a high job performance average score of 0.8.
Hi, it's Chen Guang. According to our research, we can find out that there are two major methods to increase the employee's performance. One recommendation is providing flexible remote options. Firstly, provide flexible schedule for workers so that they can have a relaxed attitude to work. Secondly, enhancement of remote devices to keep quality of work. Thirdly, develop the management of remote worker, keep and improve the contact between employees and the team to eliminate the negative influence of remote work, such as loneliness. Another recommendation for Amazon is improving employee engagement. Firstly, regular communication between employees and managers is necessary for manager to have a channel to obtain employees' reflection about what they need, what they want, and the work experience they get. Secondly, provide employees opportunities of improvement. Tell them what is the promotion mechanism and provide abundant training for the employees. Thirdly, build and develop a certain corporate culture. If employees identify with the corporate culture, they must feel that they do is important and valuable, that their contributions are meaningful. They work with enthusiasm. Fourthly, prize the employees and reward them. And that's all. Thank you. Thank you.